Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get a guild badge on Discord. Alright, let's begin. First, open Discord and go to any direct message. Type discord.gg/guildarchive and join the server. Once you're in, choose the roles you want and click Finish to enter the server. Now, look for a channel called Channels and Roles. Click Browse Channels and scroll until you find one named Tags Guilds. Open it, and you'll see a collection of various clans and guild names. Browse through the list and choose your preferred guild. For this example, click on the name and join the server mentioned there. Once you've joined the guild's server, go to User Settings on Discord, then click on Profiles. Scroll down until you see the Server Tags section. In this section, click and select the tag associated with the guild you joined. That's it. The guild badge will now appear on your Discord profile, letting others know which group you're part of. So that's basically how you can get a guild badge on Discord. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.